guys, what's up? Welcome back to another vlog. And let me tell you what we are doing. By the way, if you haven't watched our previous vlog, go watch it. We got our COVID-19 vaccine first dose and our second dose is on April 22nd. We have some amazing evening plans. So we are going to Chris and Zoe's tonight. Yep. We made these plans last week. We were not vlogging on the day, but we went to their place last week and they have us tried so many recipes. Yeah, we tried sushi for the first time. I tried sushi with the raw fish for the first time. We tried squid sushi, salmon sushi, tuna sushi, and the crab sushi. So that was it. And then we tried oysters. Raw oysters for the very first time, but the way the flavors were on point, I loved it. So I'll put little clips here so you guys can see what was going on there.
Alright guys, so Mayank is gonna try oysters.
Smaller, but
going to try oysters. Hold on.
Smells like Tabasco right now.
Here. I took one and...
We are having oyster shots.
Yes, oyster shots. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Alright.
As ready I can be.
Two of you.
So I just...
Yes.
It in?
Yeah.
Alright.
It's really good.
It's not bad.
It's so good.
Right, so fresh. Ocean. She's a pro now. Fine, you need to crack open. Alright.
It's time to eat baked.
Don't twist this knife. Don't twist this knife. It's gonna shatter.
Oh.
You gotta tie it if it didn't pop. Yeah, spoon?
No.
Felt a little salty,
Salty?
but good.
Yay!
Guys, we are gearing up for some sushi now. We are on a roll here because of Zoe and Chris.
Yes. So
Everything
we have the sushi.
They have decided to feed me everything I have never had before.
Yep.
Every single thing.
But it's interesting, and I'm...
Some vinegar, so it's a little bit more tangier than the American one. So you see like more yellow. Yeah. Oh, look at that, so pretty.
Kind of, but it's more round.
Ooh.
Good?
I don't finish raw fish.
You don't? Alright, guys. Let's see if I can pick this thing up. Oh, man. See? I'm gonna use my hand. I don't want to spoil it. Alright, please don't mind.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Good?
It definitely didn't feel like I'm eating salmon.
Good.
Eat it! So good.
Tonight we have plans with them, so we are making something for them. We are making the
Kebab night, guys.
Yes, we are having a kebab night. We are making lamb Seekh Kabab and lamb gulati kebab.
Yes.
So Tanya has just done the prep and is testing her
Recipe? So
she's not testing, she's just
Yeah.
making sure everything is on
flavors are on
point.
point, kind of basically.
And look at that. Oh my god. If your mouth is not watering, I don't know what to say. And I'm sorry, we also tried the gulati kebab, but I already ate it. So, anyways, look at that. So juicy.
that.
So
So juicy.
tender. Oh my gosh.
Oh, look at the juice coming out. Woo! Try it. So basically the galauti kebab and this, they both, the flavor is different, so that's why we made both so they can try all the flavors. Oh my god! Babe, you have to try this. It's so good.
Alright.
It's so juicy. It's not hard. Woo!
Mmm.
The flavor that bursts in your mouth.
Oh my god. So now there will be a recipe coming out for this.
Yes,
very
very
soon. Oh my god.
So we're gonna make rumali rotis and
Yes.
make kebab rolls.
So we have to make the dough for the rumali roti, and we have to make the mint and cilantro chutney and the yogurt sauce. So
the reason why we're doing it in their place is because they have flame gas and we want to make rumali roti.
and by flame gas she means they have the gas burner basically,
Yeah, like we have
not
the
the glass
glass
top. So so we can make rumali roti with the
Wok
upside down, and it's gonna be fun.
Yes.
So it's the lamb and movie night tonight. So we are super excited, and we'll show you all the prep, and we'll see you guys at their place then.
They're also like peanut butter kind of. They're not
is
supposed to
our
have
dessert.
some color. It's actually
It's supposed to go in there. Oh. Alright, you go ahead, keep serving. Look at that. If I don't tell, it looks like so much like one of the Indian desserts. So we make it like these, the round ball things, and then we put it in the sugar syrup.
Oh.
Yeah.
The round balls are made from cottage cheese.
Yeah, they are made from cottage cheese though.